Did you know that neck pain has become incredibly common, affecting about 70% of the population? It doesn't stop there. Neck pain can lead to other issues such as headaches, reduced mobility, and poor posture, seriously impacting your daily life. Namaste friends, my name is Yogi Aaron. I'm a muscle specialist as well as a yoga expert. And my goal is to help as many people become pain-free. Let me show you the methods I and many other experts use to treat their own neck pain. Let's dive in, friends. We're going to just start off with a very simple twist to really engage the core, engage the transverse abdominis, and the both internal and external obliques. So what I'd like you to do is to bring your hands, lift up through the chest, extend in the lower back, and twist as much as you can to the right. Now, as you're doing this, make sure that you're pressing through the heels of your feet, and you'll feel the hips come into the midline. Come back to center. Lift up through the chest, lift up, 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 twist as much as you can. Keep pressing through the heels of your feet. You might notice that you're twisting a little bit more each time. You're starting to experience a deeper range of motion. That deeper range of motion does not come from stretching. It comes from the muscles improving their ability to contract properly. And come back to center, relax the hands down. As you're doing this, see if you can keep extending in the lumbar spine so you're not rounding in the lumbar spine. Press through the heels of the feet, lift up through the chest, even lift the pubic bone slightly, and then exhale and twist. And come back to center and relax the hands down. Inhale deeply. And you can feel the stability that's starting to build around your core. Okay, what I'd like you to do here is we're gonna do a little bit of a cat-cow while sitting. So you're gonna inhale, lift the chest, and really kind of accentuate the lumbar spine. You can use your hands a little bit to pull, but try and use more musculature rather than your arms. Exhale, just I wouldn't say round as much as you can, but just let the trunk and neck come into flexion slightly. Inhale, what I'm more interested in is that you start to come more into extension. That's what I want, but do it slowly. Exhale. Okay, so what I'd like you to do from here is to come and lie down onto your stomach. And from here, you're going to relax the shoulders, relax your upper body, but now just lift your head up as high as you can and just hold it there. Now, if you're new, relax the head down. If you're new to these kind of poses, maybe don't go as far as you can. Maybe go about 75%, because as we're working on improving neck stability, the last thing that we want to do is to overwork those muscles, ergo causing muscular strain, and come back down. And then come back up. Good. Now this time, going up as high as you can, relatively speaking, of course. Look to your right as far as you can, while coming into extension. So we're doing extension and rotation, slowly come down. Take a full breath in here, and full breath out. Then inhale, come back up, and this time, turn your head to the left. Inhale fully, exhale fully, and come back down and relax. It's really important to relax in between each of these poses. Very good. Now we're going to add on a little something here. So you're going to come up, lift up about 2 or 3 inches off the ground, turn the torso as much as you can to your right, and you can look at me and see that I'm not turning that much. It's not that dramatic, although it feels dramatic. And then lift up. And you're going to feel the upper part of your musculature of your back specifically targeting the spinalis. Exhale, come on back down. Just take a breath in there and exhale deeply. Now come on up, relax the glutes, twist to the left, and then come on up. Now remember, if you haven't done these kind of postures before, you're gonna start to really feel, come on back down, certain muscles working that you haven't felt in a long time. So you're waking these muscles up, you're activating them to do the job that they're meant to do. So from here, let's come and roll over to your back. And all you're gonna do here is turn the head about 45 degrees to your left. Now, we're gonna strengthen a muscle called the sternocleidomastoid. So you're gonna turn the head to the left, about 45 degrees, and lift your head up about halfway. You're gonna feel a muscle there that's the sternocleidomastoid popping out, okay? And that's what we're working to engage, and then slowly come back down. This is a really important muscle to work on engaging that actually helps to stabilize the head. This muscle is often not working properly, so let's get it activated. Turn to the left, 45 degrees, come up halfway. Breathe in deeply. Now notice if you're using any other part of your body, your core should be relaxed because you're just lifting your head, and then come back down. Let's switch fingers. So now I want you to feel the other side. We're gonna turn to the right and then come up halfway. In 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel that popping out? If you do, you can just let the hands come back down and just rest them on the core or to the floor. We're just gonna finish up this sequence now with full flexion and rotation. So lift the chin up to the chest. Again, relax everything else. Turn to the left as much as you can while coming into full flexion, and then come on back down. Now let's do the other side. Come on, bring the chin up to the chest. Turn to the right now. Remember to relax your core. The only thing that should be working are your neck muscles at this moment. And come back down. Very good. Slowly roll over to the side. Let's finish this practice coming into a sitting pose. Notice if sitting is different. Inhale, lift the chest and let your head come back as far as it can. Notice if it feels different now that we've done all of these movements, all of these muscle activations. Feel the top of the head rising up. And just appreciate for a moment the stability that you've cultivated in your neck. Continue to sit here as long as you like, with ease and comfort. Namaste.